Hey Liquid folks, welcome back to Liquid Data, where the only thing more consistent than my caffeine addiction is my passion for learning data skills. Today you're going to spend the day with me as we dive into SQL for data analysis. Let's be real, it's not glamorous, but we're all here for the journey. So let's get to it. Mornings are for thinking. Coffee in one hand, laptop in the other. SQL's already on my mind, so let's fuel up and dive in. Okay, here we go. SQL. It sounds like a mysterious acronym, but trust me, it's just structured query language. Basically, it's like the secret handshake for interacting with databases. Well, I'm no data guru, but today I'm on a mission to at least not get completely lost. Let's start with the simple select statement. So first, I need some data to work with. I found this dataset that's all about movie ratings. Because who doesn't want to know which movie is the highest rated of all time? I swear, every time I try to select something, I get this error. Like SQL, chill out. I just want to see the movies. But hey, we're learning, right? Alright, after 15 minutes learning from my mistakes, I got my basic select working. Who knew just picking out data could feel like unlocking treasure chests? As I'm digging deeper into the query, I'm starting to see how SQL is like solving a puzzle. It's logical, it's methodical, and frankly, I'm feeling pretty good about it. I mean, I haven't crashed the database yet, so that's a win, right? Now let's talk joins for a second. This is where SQL gets spicy. You know how you combine data from different tables? That's the join. It's like dating, but instead of weird dinner conversations, you're combining datasets to find the perfect match. Here, I'm joining the movies table with the ratings table to see what people thought about the social network. Spoiler alert, turns out it's not just about the algorithm, it's a masterpiece. Alright folks, the day's winding down and my brain's officially fried. But we made progress. SQL isn't as scary as I thought.
Though my coffee intake probably tells a different story.
Anyway, learning SQL isn't about getting everything right on the first try. It's about putting in the effort, experimenting, and seeing the little progress each day. We're all in this together, and now I'm off to treat myself to some pizza. Because we earned it. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you're vibing on my SQL skills, or just want to see more of my learning struggles. We've also got some previous videos you can find here about my newly started data journey. Catch you on the next one, Liquid folks.